Hello. Today we're going to be looking at PowerPoint and just some of the basic functions that it can do. So right now I'm on the home screen of PowerPoint. And if you notice, there are some pre-built slides, but we're going to start out with a blank presentation. And there it is. So the first thing we'll look at is adding slides. So to do that, you can see we have this button right up top here. And as I click it, it adds in more slides. So as you can see here, this is just the typical slide. If we wanted like a different format, we can hit this drop-down menu. And for instance, we could use this to content right here. And you can see it gives us a different slide style. So now we can change the order if we wanted to. And we can just simply do that by left-clicking, holding, and dragging into the order that we want. And if we didn't want a slide, we can just hit the delete key, and that will remove any unwanted slides. So now, if we want, we can change the theme. So right now, this is just the blank theme. But if we wanted something with a little bit more color, we come up to the Design tab. And you can see there's some pre-built designs up top here. So, for instance, I just chose that one, and you can see now it applies that design to all of these slides. Alright, so next up we will look at importing pictures. So what we can do, right here, you can see it gives us the option to click this button right here for pictures. Then it'll just be a matter of finding a picture on our computer that we wanted to import. And simple as that. So now we can add a graph if we wanted to. That's another cool feature. And you can see this button right here, the Insert Chart. And as you can see, it gives us some pre-built charts. And it's just be a matter of choosing what type of chart best matches what we're working with. And when we do that, you can see it gives us the area where we can import our data. So there's just some pre-built stuff that way you don't have to worry about importing anything. You can just simply edit it, which is really handy. So I'll just start typing in some different numbers, and you can see as I'm doing that, it is changing the chart in real time. And of course, once we're done, we'll hit the X button, and there it is. Now, if we wanted to go back and edit it, we have this button right here. And then we just go in and choose the series that we want to edit. And you can see I was highlighting as I hover over it. And then we're just at the same place that we were earlier. So I'll go and close out of that. Alright, so next up, we will add transitions between our slides. So whenever we're in the slideshow, right now it's just going to jump directly from one to the next. So if we wanted to have a transition in there to make it a bit smoother, as you can see, we have the transition tab. And just be a matter of choosing one of these that we think looks cool. You can see it gives us kind of like a little thumbnail of what it would look like. So for instance, let's do like the airplane one. And that looks kind of cool. So now that's going to be applied between those two slides. So when we click from this one to this one, and of course you can see right here where it says the on mouse click, then it's going to give that paper airplane effect. So the last thing we'll do is save this to the computer. So we have the save button up top here. Then it'd be a matter of giving it some sort of a name, and then choosing a save location, and then saving it from there. Thank you very much for watching.
Thank you all very much for tuning into our Maker Monday video series. Be sure to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and hit that bell so you can get notifications that'll let you know when we pop up a new video, alright?